that. What's up, guys? Sorry for this being on, but last night I got some paint, and we're gonna take off the plastic dip, and because it looks kind of rough, as my friends were calling it, and we're gonna paint it. So I gotta peel this whole thing off, and then I don't know, I might back up the car and back it up to take this bumper off, but we'll see, or just leave it. I can do that and take this off. So we'll see what I do, and the camera's upside down, but in post I can change this. So let's peel that back side off, and then get to sanding it. I see it's got 220, 230, and 400 grit sandpaper. Okay, I took the plastic dip off, and I sanded this down. And I'm gonna sand this, and then sand this, and this is where the logo got taken off. So yeah, it's gonna look clean, clean. No, okay. And then we're gonna do this, but my main goal is to blow up. No, okay. My main goal is to make this look good. So we're gonna take time on this before we get to that. So yeah, my hands are like black now. So yeah. Okay, guys, got it all sanded up. Close the garage door. Yeah, it's all nice and sanded. So tomorrow we're gonna do primer, but today was just sanding. Might do a little sanding tomorrow, just making sure we got all the corner spots, middle, and then we'll go ahead and primer it. But yeah, it's gonna look sick.